What's going on, everyone? 4 and 3 Bros back with another video. So we're working on the Frontier today. I have a quick video about my idea for a wireless charging setup. So right here I have this plug that has a fast charger, and I have 2 ports here. Now plug this in, right? Set the pad here. Cool, right? Done. A lot of people would be satisfied with that. I'm not one of them. We also happen to have this cubby here. And as you can see, for the sake of making this shorter, I already have this stuff lifted up. All you have to do is literally use a pry tool or your hands. I just use my hands and just pull this stuff straight up, right? So we took our cup thingies out, we lifted this up. Most people probably have an automatic. Might be a little bit different on what you have to do, but in this case, my truck's standard. And I was thinking, well, maybe it might be long enough to run inside and I can get it in here. Now, I only had this truck a few weeks, but I've already got crap in here. So I did notice that there is this panel here. Maybe you can see my fingers. Right here, there's kind of a spot where you can push the plastic and get something through there. So I think I'm gonna try to see if this cord is long enough to reach from down inside here in here. So I'm gonna give that a go. I'm also gonna be using some of this Easy Liner Select Grip. This is basically drawer liner. It's rubber grippy stuff. It's like $5 at Walmart. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece to fit inside here. I was driving around for a few days with this pad here, and it works out good, but it is a little slippery. My phone never slipped off, but this did slide around some. So we're gonna go ahead and cut a chunk of this to put in underneath there. All right, as you can see, we got our little rubber liner in there. Far from perfect, but I'm doing this right inside the truck. No big deal. That should, oh yeah, that ain't slipping at all. Actually, wow, that's perfect. All right, so now is going to be the test to see if this cord is long enough to get to there. All right, we're going to go for gold. Hopefully this angle works good. Front camera showing me that it looks like it is, so we're going to pop this panel off. We're going to lay our mat down, and we're going to lift this. Just going to tuck this in. And there's a spot for me to feed this in here, like that. And I don't think I'm gonna have any issues with anything being in the way here. So I think we're gonna be good. So now there is this spot I do have to stick something in here to fit this through. There we go. Oof, that is tight. Oh, we might be in business, guys. We might be in business. All right, so where is our charger? We threw it. So here's our charger. I'm gonna link all the stuff that I'm using in the description below. So we have 2.4 amps or quick charge 3.0. That's what we're gonna go with, quick charge 3.0. So we're gonna stick this in here. It looks like it's gonna just fit, guys. Looks like it's just gonna fit. And going through the gears, I don't see an issue there. We're gonna take the e-brake off. don't see an issue there either. Looks like we're in business. All right, everything is back together. Everything is back, pushed down in, nice. There is a gap here, and that gap is enough for the cable to fit without any issues. So that's awesome. This is the only little bit that you see. That's perfect. I'm super happy with that. Phone does not move. I'm literally trying, and it's just slipped. My hands are just slipping. And that's actually a pretty slippery case, so that's awesome. All you see is our little wiring here, tucked through that piece of plastic. No big deal there. And I'm gonna leave everything down below. The wireless charging pad was 16 bucks on Amazon. The plug was $6. That's actually my third or fourth one. I end up losing one and then I rebuy them. I absolutely love that. That charger has been phenomenal. I have one in all my vehicles. So, and this stuff was like $5 at Walmart. I'll link that below. I actually have another spot up here. Maybe I'll get wild at some point and put one there. I just throw my wallet in there. But yeah, guys, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And any questions, just let us know. See you on the next one. Later.